Dillydale magazine is expecting pictures of birds, and more birds. And so far, all we have is a picture of your rear end.
I would have moved out of the way if I knew you were taking a picture.
We need to be taking pictures of birds. Where could they be?
Maybe if you didn't make so much noise.
That's it. My patience is run out. Time for my secret weapon.
And that would be?
My finicky flamingo fan pipe.
You really think that? Whoa!
Hold that pose. It's a great shot. Say cheese. One more. You aren't smiling. I also promised the magazine a picture of the Great Cape Buffalo.
Really? I mean, they're really big. You're sure the magazine wouldn't be just as happy with a picture of a gerbil?
No deal. If that's the buffalo they want, it's a buffalo they'll get. Time for my other secret weapon.
Oh no.
My two-tone bamboo buffalo bagpipe.
Oh well, too bad. Doesn't work.
Another great shot. Say cheese.
I can't.
And now to get a picture of the rare great white alligator.
Alligator? You didn't tell me we were looking for an alligator.
Not just any alligator, the great white alligator. Looks like I'll have to rely on my secret weapon.
Oh boy.
An all aluminum alligator whistle.
Mr. Noisy. Mr. Noisy.
Mr. Noisy!
Boopity boop.
No, I don't think we're going to be seeing any alligators today, Mr. Bump.
For $20.